Fresh uncertainty has clouded US-Iran diplomacy yet again. President Donald Trump publicly claimed that high-level talks with Tehran are locked in for Doha, Qatar. But Iranian officials have flatly denied it, publicly rejecting the claim and making the US president look entirely out of sync, or worse, caught in a lie. Speaking to reporters in Washington, Trump confidently insisted that discussions focusing on Tehran's nuclear program were set to take place. Trump said, "There'll be a meeting on that tomorrow in Doha. We don't want them to have a nuclear weapon, and they are not going to have a nuclear weapon." This followed a frantic post by Trump on Truth Social a day earlier where he typed in all caps, "Iran has requested a meeting. It will take place tomorrow in Doha." But Tehran wasted no time in making Trump look completely foolish. Iranian Foreign Ministry spokesperson Esmail Baghai explicitly shot down the US president's narrative, stating there are no negotiations planned at any level between the two nations. Esmail Baghai said, "We will not have any negotiation meetings at any level with the American side in the coming days." So what is actually happening? According to sources, the US plans to send presidential envoy Steve Witkoff and Trump's son-in-law Jared Kushner to lead an American delegation. Meanwhile, Iran is sending a technical team to Qatar this week, but spokesperson Baghai stressed this visit has absolutely no relation to the presence of US officials. While sources suggest separate meetings might happen through Qatari and Pakistani mediators on Wednesday to stabilize the crucial Strait of Hormuz, Iran's public defiance leaves Trump's bold proclamations looking like total misinformation. This diplomatic embarrassment comes at a critical time. A fragile interim ceasefire following a 4-month conflict was recently tested after weekend missile and drone exchanges. The US accused Iran of striking commercial vessels, launching retaliatory strikes on Iranian military facilities. In response, Iran targeted US military installations in Kuwait and Bahrain on Sunday. With tensions boiling, Trump claimed a major diplomatic breakthrough, only for Iran to instantly call his bluff.